Tired of losing track of your work hours and struggling to allocate time to the right projects? Let's get Clockify set up right from the start, so tracking your time is a breeze. First, open Clockify in your web browser or desktop app. We're going to configure the time tracker for optimal use. Look for the timer icon on the left-hand side and click on it. This opens the time tracker interface. Now, navigate to your Clockify settings. Usually, this is found by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner from the drop-down menu. Select Settings. Once on the Settings page, click on the Defaults tab. This is where we'll set up default behaviors for the time tracker. Here, you can choose a default project if you frequently work on a specific project. Selecting it here means it will be automatically pre-filled when you start a new timer. Click the drop-down and select the project most often. Next, look at the task option. If you typically perform specific tasks within projects, consider setting a default task. This saves you time from manually entering it each time. If you don't have tasks defined, you can skip this step. Scroll down to find the Timer Preferences section. Explore the options here, such as Start Timer on New Task Creation. This feature automatically starts the timer when you create a new task. This is helpful if you want to track your time accurately as soon as you start working. Once you've configured your defaults and preferences, save your changes now. Whenever you start a new timer, your chosen defaults will be automatically applied. This ensures you accurately record your hours and allocate them correctly to projects and tasks without any hassle. Happy tracking.